Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Samsung washer door. First, safety is paramount. Always unplug your appliance from its power source to prevent any electrical hazards. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver for this job. Also, prepare a soft, clean surface, such as a towel or blanket, to safely rest the door assembly on once it is removed. Now, let's remove the old door. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, locate and unscrew the two screws that secure the door hinge to the main body of your washing machine. Be sure to support the door with your free hand to prevent it from dropping. Once the screws are out, gently lift the entire door assembly straight up and away from the appliance. Then, carefully place it onto your soft, protected surface. With the old door removed, it's time to install your replacement. Carefully pick up the new door assembly. Align the 3 hooks on the door hinge with the 3 corresponding holes located on the washing machine's front panel. Gently lower the door, ensuring these hooks slide completely into their designated slots. Finally, reinsert and securely tighten the 2 screws you removed earlier to firmly attach the door to the washer. After installation, perform a few crucial checks. Open and close the door several times to ensure it operates smoothly and latches securely without any resistance. Visually inspect the door seal for any gaps or improper seating that could lead to leaks. Once satisfied, plug your Samsung washer back into its power outlet and run a quick, empty wash cycle to confirm everything functions correctly and there are no leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.